Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss a case study for a 48-unit syndication multifamily value-add deal that we did in El Paso, Texas called the Puerta del Sol. Hi, my name is Duke Ong with Tri-City Equity. So in April 2020, we initially purchased this 48 unit for $1.656 million. We raised $650,000 in investor capital. $490,000 of that was in A2 and the remainder is in A1. So we offered a dual class syndication structure where A1 investors would get a 10% preferred return and they have priority in the capital stack, and A2 would come after them in the capital stack, and the split would be 80% of the remaining profits. So La Puerta del Sol is a garden style apartment community consisting of 48 units. It's built in 1985, 2.12 acres, comprises of 7 two-story buildings, mostly wood frame and stucco with pitched roofs. Puerta del Sol offers a mix of 1 and 2 bedroom units, mostly featuring open dining and living area concept with AC, ceiling fans, and kitchens with refrigerators and range ovens. Recently upgraded units feature tile and hardwood style flooring. Property is situated just minutes from shopping, dining near Hondo Pass Drive, and US Highway 54 is also quickly accessible, making commutes easy to major employment centers, education, and recreation throughout the El Paso metro area. So here's the map of El Paso in general. And we're located in this area up here known as Angel's Triangle. It's actually one of the tougher neighborhoods in the past and used to be called Devil's Triangle. And the environment has improved a lot over the years. The community got together to clean up the area. So it's definitely improved a lot, but still quite a tough area. Just to give you a lay of the land, Fort Bliss is over here to the right. It's one of the largest Army bases in the US, and it's a major employment center for El Paso. And down here is downtown El Paso, and to the left is the west side of Paso. So these different pockets of Paso vary quite a bit in terms of the demographic and rents. So for the unit mix, we have both 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. The current occupancy at the time of the sale was 100%. When we bought it, it was 75%. So the leasing team at Jackson, Texas did an amazing job in turning around. We brought rents up quite a bit. Our effective rents are hovering around 500 or so for 1 bedrooms and 600 for 2 bedrooms. And there's actually this opportunity to turn the office into two bedroom units. We were going to do that renovation. We got the plans and cleaned out the units, but decided against it when we decided to sell the asset instead. So that is additional meat on the bone for the next buyer to come in and add those 2 units and increase revenues. So what did we do in terms of capital improvements? We spent about $231,000 to reseal, restripe the parking lot, replace many of the water heaters and swamp coolers, and added new monument sign. We also improved the parking lot lighting, and we upgraded laundry machines. We also added this barbecue area you can see over here and installed water saving devices. And we spent about $40,000 on low maintenance landscaping. You can see that in this Franklin red rock. So the unit itself, the amenities include air conditioning, refrigerator, range oven, tile flooring, hardwood style flooring, ceiling fans, and window coverings. For the amenities, there are laundry facilities, 24-hour access, and ample parking. And like I said earlier, we also added the barbecue grills. So here are some pictures of the interior of the upgraded units. So you can see we have a standard package of 2-tone gray and white with the hardwood style laminate flooring and just an overall clean look. Here are some exterior pictures. You can see the monument sign that we added here and the resealed, restriped parking lot, along with the red rock landscaping, which is low maintenance and looks attractive to residents. All right, now for the fun part. The returns, like I said, it's a dual class structure. So there's A1 and A2. For the A1, this was for the investors that wanted a more secure preferred return sitting higher in the capital stack. So it was a 10% internal rate of return because it's just 10% paid out monthly every month. The equity multiple was 1.18x, which is 18% total return because we held it for 1.8 years. Now, for the A2 investors, the IRR was almost 32%. Equity multiple was 1.74x, which represents a 74% total return. And the average annual return over the 1.8 years that we held it was north of 40%, which is amazing considering our pro forma. We were able to reach these targets in a much faster timeline due to market conditions and just the cycle that we are currently in. Thank you so much for joining me for this case study. And if you're interested in investing with us, please go to tricityequity.com, or you can email us at connect@tricityequity.com. And we're also on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube at Tri-City Equity. Thank you. Bye.